Hey guys, as I'm editing this video, I just want to say thank you for clicking on it and being patient with me to upload. So, that being said, today is such a great video. We get the car running, and not only running, but driving, and goes through that whole process, troubleshooting, and yeah, so stay tuned guys. Hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe, all of that, and I'm just glad you guys are here with me to experience the car running and starting, and it's an amazing feeling, and I'm glad to bring you guys along with me. So yeah, I'll see you at the end of the video.
Hi everybody, so I got the Toyota fired up. I'm gonna use the Toyota to jump Mazie. Let's get her running. Alright guys, so no start. Not a bad thing. Could be a dead battery. We gotta start from scratch. We gotta think about grounding. Make sure grounding is good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the battery out of Mazie or Myrtle, because obviously her battery's good. So I'm gonna take her battery, try it because I know this is a good battery. I'm not sure if that one is dead. It could be a dead battery. And the next thing I'll do, if this doesn't work, I am going to try the starter ground, because I don't hear any relays flicking or anything, so that makes me think that the battery's just dead. So as I'm checking all the wiring, I don't know why, but now both of these fans are on all the time. Doesn't make any sense, but I'm gonna try to figure that out. I'm gonna try swapping those batteries first. In place. I double checked all my connectors. I think I might have found a bad ground if this doesn't work. So, I don't know. We're gonna try it. Car's not in gear. Nothing. Alright guys, since that's not the problem, the battery is not the problem, now what I'm going to do is check the starter, make sure it's wired correctly, and then I'm going around here, I'm checking all my connectors, everything's plugged in. I can't imagine it's not something to do with the starter or a fuse, so I gotta pull the plug here soon, so if it's not the starter, then I guess I gotta dive deeper in it tomorrow or next week. So I'm gonna get into the car and look at the starter. Alright guys, so as you can see, I put the ground right here, and I thought that's where it was before, but I'm guessing it's not, because it's obviously it's aluminum transmission, steel bolt. You would think it'd be good enough ground. The starter's wired correctly, so my guess is gonna be this ground. I'm gonna disconnect the battery and see what's up with this ground, try to move it to underneath the transmission where the block meets the transmission is metal. So I'm gonna try doing that and then see where we're at. Battery's wired up. Got the 10 mil up here. Let's see. So good luck. Car out of gear. Clutch down. Nothing. So, my horn is loud enough, the lights are bright, everything is seeming to work, radio's on, lights work. I'm thinking it has to be a grounding issue. Well guys, I think I'm going to have to call it a night, as much as I would love to work on this all night. I got work in the morning, got to wake up at 3 a.m. It's going to beat me up all night. Anyway, it's probably a grounding issue. I'm probably going to take out the starter to remove that bracket. And then from there, maybe the grounding that goes on the plenum. But my voltage is low. it's just over 12. So there is a grounding issue. It has to be some type of grounding issue because 12 volts on this, when it's usually about 14 from what I've experienced, especially with this car, it was like 14-ish. It's only at 12. I'm gonna say it's a grounding issue, so especially since the battery's brand new, and it won't even click or anything. So it's got to be something to do with the starter. I'm gonna figure out grounding issue, maybe pull off this bracket right now, and then clean it up for from work tomorrow. We'll see where that gets us. So I actually just fixed the ground, and then I go to put this on, and just my luck, battery terminal breaks. So I'm off the advanced auto parts to pick one up right now, throw it on, and then if it works, and if it doesn't, then I'm gonna call it. Let's go, baby, all day. We got oil burning back here. Alright guys, so I got some white smoke going on in the back. I'm gonna let it run, solve its own problems. But this bad boy, I'm gonna let oil get to the top of the engine. Timing is right, no knocking. It's loud as a mother trucker right now. I'm gonna let it solve its own problems. We got loud neighbors. They don't care. So the car is starting to understand some problems. I think I have I'm burning oil. I got a leak. Nothing under here. Something's burning up top. I'm gonna check the temperature. It's good, oil pressure is good. Voltage is good. Check engine light on, that was because my mass airflow sensor is unplugged. I don't know what I could be burning, it could just be an exhaust leak. Definitely an exhaust leak. Hopefully it's not a manifold, but if it is, I gotta fix that. But hey guys, I just bled the clutch again. Now we're getting just straight fluid out, which is great. Master cylinder's full, and I adjusted the clutch from the pedal. Let's take it for a drive. I'm pretty nervous. I have no gas, so we'll see. We'll see how that goes. I'm going to I don't know how I'm going to put you up. It's a clutch.
Rock and roll,
Look,
baby.
it engages right here. About half an inch.
So can you run all the way through the gears?
Butter.
Butter.
Alright guys, so I just drove it. Reverse lights don't work. And I got a tail light out. And I have no gas. So, I did buy a fuel filter with a fuel sending unit. Stainless steel braided line. I could run it out of gas, which it basically is out, and replace those things. Or I could put gas in it. Get up into the point of break-in, which is about 500 miles. See if it lasts. Hopefully. It runs good now. But weigh out my options. Alright guys, I got the clutch adjusted perfectly. Like, we're talking OEM spec perfect, alright? This thing just rolled off the show line. Anyway, there's Myrtle. And today, I'll be driving Mazie. Car's almost dead, so I think I'm just going to run to the end of the trailer court and back. But here we go. Let's do it. Transmission is perfect, by the way. I'm going to set you guys up right over here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for coming along.
Hey everybody, it's early morning. I'm actually editing this video. Before we end the video, I just want to say that I seriously apologize. I've been lacking way too hard off YouTube. You guys support me more than, like, I can't even explain to you, probably more than some of my family, and I really appreciate you guys. I'm still having people hit me up, you know, at least once, maybe twice a week. People hit me up asking me questions about their car. So take this as an apology and a promise that I will stay committed to the YouTube. And we're going to get 1,000 subscribers. And I want to get 1,000 subscribers soon. We're going to push, guys, and I'm going to be working hard for you. So that being said, I was editing this video and I realized that I didn't tell you what was wrong. It actually wasn't even a grounding issue at all, and it's actually quite embarrassing what the problem was. In fact, the main plug for the fuse box in the engine bay was not plugged in. I plugged it in and the car ran. Embarrassing, I know, roast me all you want. The guy rebuilds an engine and doesn't, it's all that. So that being said, thank you for watching the video. I know it's long, but a long time coming. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to be editing videos, and just a little hint, I might have bought a car. Anyway, stay tuned. I appreciate you guys more than you will ever know. Stay tuned for the next one.